Primo, here's your muffin.
It's ice cream. I eat ice spinner. It's hot.
Oh, it's hot? It's warm.
Oh.
Oh, okay, I'll get you another one. Hey guys, this is Bri, and I'm with
What's Primo?
Boss Primo. Say hi. Hi.
Primo, let's not dance with you. I've been dancing for a while.
Okay. Yeah, Primo and I are having our snack. Let's eat. That's warm. Do you like your muffin? Yeah. Last 2020, we celebrated Primo's second birthday.
Don't eat that.
Why? It's mine! And since it's 2020, we celebrated it in the comfort of our home. And our theme for his second birthday was a tropical summer theme. We made it simple and budget friendly. Now on this video, I'm going to show to you how I created one of the decorations. Let's start first with these two banana leaves. It's very easy. On a green poster board, start by sketching a semicircle from one edge to the other, and then another semicircle from one edge up to the other side. Draw the same pattern over, making sure you use the whole space of the poster board as much as you can. Cut the patterns using a pair of scissors. Cut small pointed triangles of different sizes randomly on each pattern. And now you have a very simple banana leaf wall decor. Now it's time to create the palm tree leaves. On a green poster board, cut two long inch-sized strips lengthwise. These two will serve as the branch. For the leaves, fold the poster board diagonally and cut into two using a pair of scissors. Lay the two poster boards on top of each other and cut small slots 1 inch apart. These will serve as your guide later on. Cut the edge 2 inches from the tip. Take one pattern and continue to cut all the way to the top. Take one strip and cut the corners, creating a curved shape from below and long pointed edge on the top. Do this cut to the remaining strips. These will be your first batch of palm leaves. Do this to the other pattern for your second batch. Now let's combine them together. Take the first long strip and start arranging your first batch of leaves from the branch. Once you're done, start to put glue on each leaves. may be some excess leaves that won't fit on the branch, but that's okay, as long as you cover the whole branch. Afterwards, start putting glue for the second batch of leaves on the opposite side, overlapping each other. Now take the other long strip. Apply glue and lay it over to the leaves, covering them like a sandwich, and let it dry. Once it is dry, it's time to stick it onto the wall. The leaves are a little heavy, so make sure that you put more adhesive tapes or double-sided tapes as possible. Guys, thanks for watching, and I hope that you learned something from it, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can get updated on our latest videos. Guys, I'll see you on our next video. Thanks for watching. Say bye. Say bye, Primo. Hot. Oh, it's just hot. Yes. Say bye. Bye-bye.
It's hot.
It's hot. Yeah, it's hot. You can't eat it right now.
I can eat this in the birthday. Size number. Example is a parrot.
Uh-huh.
Pollinators.
Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Thank you. Ooh, say bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Thank you. Bye.
And don't is no. Don't is like.
Oh, yeah. I already told him.
I don't is like them on the message about the videos.
Yes, I already told him. It's already done. So just say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Just say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Dun, 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 dun.
Dun, 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 dun.
Look in the camera.
Yeah, look in the camera. Bye-bye.
Look in the camera.
Bye. Oh, Stand up. Oh, say bye. Look at the camera. Say mo.
The pirate too.
Oh, bye-bye.
I need a pirate.